Electrons are shared in covalent bonds, and when possible, they do that in such a way that both atoms in the bond get a share of 8 electrons. We call this a complete octet. Notable exceptions include helium and hydrogen, and these atoms share electrons to get a share of 2 electrons between them. In a previous video, we looked at Lewis structures for atoms, and now we'll look at Lewis structures for molecules. In the case of the H2 molecule, each hydrogen atom has a single valence electron. By sharing the 2 valence electrons between them, both hydrogens get a share of a complete valence shell. We indicate the covalent bond formed either with a pair of dots or with a line that represents the same 2 electrons. F2 provides a similar example. Both F atoms have 7 valence electrons, of which 1 is unpaired. They can share the unpaired electrons in an orbital to form a single bond. We refer to the electrons in the bond, these here, which again we can show as a dashed line as well, as a bonding pair or a shared pair of electrons. The electrons that are owned by the individual atoms, those that are not shared, so in the Lewis structure here, 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 and here, those are called non-bonding or lone pairs of electrons. F2 has a single bond. In other words, 2 electrons or 1 electron pair are shared between the 2 atoms. Sometimes atoms share more than a single pair of electrons between them. Sometimes atoms share more than a single pair of electrons between them. When 2 electron pairs are shared, we call the resulting bond a double bond. Remember that this is the sharing of 4 total electrons between the atoms. Triple bonds occur when 3 pairs of electrons are shared, and this equates to 6 total electrons. As we move forward in Lewis structures, we'll typically show these bonds as dashes and not as a pair of dots. The single bond would be represented by a single line, the double bond by a double line, and the triple bond by a triple line. Ordinary covalent bonds, as we've looked at in previous examples, form when each atom contributes 1 electron to the shared pair. Here hydrogen has 1 unpaired electron, here's another hydrogen with an unpaired electron, and the resulting covalent bond is formed when each contributes to the same orbital. In a coordinate covalent bond, 1 atom contributes both electrons to the bond. In a coordinate covalent bond, 1 atom, nitrogen in this case, donates both electrons to the empty orbital on another atom. The coordinate covalent bond is formed with both electrons having been contributed by the nitrogen and none by the hydrogen.